series on growing potatoes in bags. I released one video on 6/20, 6/21, sometime around there. This is the update. I have some good news and I have some bad news. Good news first. This is the first russet I planted, and it is doing really well. So it's been about 4 weeks. The same day, from the same batch of russets, this seed potato was very unhealthy. I wasn't too keen on growing it, but I decided to give it a try. You can see there's not much going on. You can't see it, but there are some very small sprouts trying to push through the dirt, but I'm gonna call that one. The whole reason of doing this is when I first started Okies Eden, I did the potato bag series, and it was successful to an extent, but it didn't give me the harvest I had hoped for. And I learned from my mistakes, because that was all a trial and error. I'm trying to learn how to grow stuff inside. So with that said, this one here is not going to make it. I do have some baby reds, which I'm going to show you. If you look right there, the sprout, and these eyes are sprouting. This next week will replace the one that I'm going to take care of right now. This one's going to be pulled out of the dirt. I enjoy trying to figure out and trying to diagnose what's going on under the dirt. So I'm going to pull this potato out while you guys are present. And I have no idea what's going on here. So I'm digging around the potato. So let's see what we got. So remember, russets grow, the tubers shoot up and expand out, and they're a very hardy plant. You can see right now, there is absolutely almost nothing going on with this potato. Okay, the sprout has done almost nothing. It grew maybe 1/8 of an inch since 6/20. So I'm calling that a fail. This one is not a potato I want to produce anything for me. I wouldn't get much out of it anyways. So like I said, this baby red is going to replace that in about a week. Once this sprout gets a little bigger, I'll place it in the dirt, and then I'll do a video so you guys know when I'm doing it. I'll have it dated so we can continue to watch the progress. Now with that said, this one here, like I said, is doing well. I keep watering this. I am not going to let this one go to harvest either. In about a week or two, I am going to dig this one up on camera, because I want to see, above ground it's healthy, but I noticed that in my first time around on the Grow Bags 1.0, that the top of the plant did really, really well. Now I use grow lights. I have a full spectrum set of bulbs that are supposed to feed the roots, the leaves, the flowers, under, above the dirt, so to speak. And it's supposed to be the equivalent of the sun. I haven't been convinced of that yet, honestly. I still think nature is nature. Potatoes and plants and vegetables and flowers require sunlight for photosynthesis. And we can get close, I think, in a lot of ways, but we're gonna see. I don't want this to go to harvest, because I wanna pull it up halfway through, because I wanna see, how are the tubers doing? Are they shooting out? I wanna see how the strength and the health of the root system. So I can see, is this a good, viable alternative to be able to plant potatoes indoors? I think it is. I just have to figure out all of the little details. Yes, you can grow in buckets outside. I've done it. I've grown in potato towers and bags outside. It works great. So I think it comes down to perfect storm inside. It's got light. It's got continuous perfect temperatures for growing. It has no bugs bothering the plant, no disease bothering the plant. So it's got a perfect storm. But however, the thing it's missing is the sunlight. Now I have it in the window, but it doesn't get full sunlight all day long. And that was the test to see are grow lights, sun lamps as good as the sun. That's what I'm trying to find out. Or is there something else I'm doing incorrectly? You know, I'm doing everything the same as I do outside except for the sun. I use my grow light. So that's what I want to see. How healthy is the plant beneath the soil? Because I know I can grow plants indoors above the soil and they'll look healthy. But then, you know, it's not worth it if the harvest, you know, it's not worth watering every day or every other day and having the lights on them if you're going to get a tiny harvest versus what I can get outside. Because I can grow herbs and other stuff inside successfully. I'm only doing the potatoes because it's a challenge to myself. Can I grow a successful potato crop indoors? So that's where we're headed with this. So you'll see the first video is when I planted them. One is a fail. One seems on the surface to be successful. In about 2 weeks, when I pull this out, we'll see how successful it was going and if it would have been a successful plant. By then, I will have planted my baby red. That'll be in the dirt about a week. We can get an update on that. And then I can decide if I'm gonna plant another baby red or a russet or something in this other bag. And then we'll go from there. I'll give that russet a month, see where it's at, and then maybe I'll pull that one out to see if it's producing or it's starting to put the tubers out to grow the potatoes. Then I can make a decision, do I wanna go russet, do I wanna go baby red, and is it gonna be successful enough for me to continue trying to grow them inside? And like I said, that's what I'm trying to do so I can pass that information to other people so that they can do gardening inside as well as outside, because not everybody has the room outside to do a garden. Some people would need to grow inside if they have a small apartment or something, and this can help them do that. That's what I'm trying to help people to achieve is, you know, a lot of people on my channel follow me. They like the gardening, but they'll say, I don't have a lawn, I don't have property where I can do a garden. So if we can grow potatoes and we can grow things indoors, which you can, you know, potatoes I'm working on, but I think I can get there. And so those that want to grow a garden and want to have fun growing a garden and learn about gardening can do it even in a small apartment in the city. So with that said, stay tuned. Hopefully in about a week or two, I'll do the update to this potato bag grow 2.0 on Okies Eden. You guys all have a great day.